What's up, guys? We're doing another pond video today, and what we're doing is we're constructing a wall. Very similar to the wall we did here. I don't know if you guys have ever bought these kind of pavers, but they're about $3 to $4. And then these smaller pavers that really don't take up a lot of space are about $2, or maybe, yeah, they're about $1.95 each. What we're going to do is make our own pavers. Very similar to these ones, like this, using Tupperware. Yep, Tupperware. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Really simple. All you need is a bag of quick setting 30-minute concrete mix. Mix it yourself. You get some Tupperware dishes, and then you make your own molds. And that's what they turn out to look like. We're about midway through this project, and we're going to show you kind of step by step and how to do this. Really quick, cheap upgrade. It's just a little bit of hard work, which neither one of us are scared of. Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is obviously open up your bag and put it in your wheelbarrow. And then what you want to do is add a little bit of water at a time to make sure that you don't mix it too wet. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. You don't want any dry clumps down at the bottom. Then you start filling up your Tupperware molds. Be careful not to overfill your molds. Try to keep the top of your concrete about a ½ an inch below the top of your Tupperware container. That way, when you're popping the blocks out of the Tupperware molds, they'll pop out. If you fill them up too much, it makes it very difficult to get the concrete blocks out. The beach just happens to be the best place to get these blocks out of these Tupperware molds. All you want to do is flip them over and give them just a little bit of a drop on the sand, and they pop right out, no problem. We also added some new fish. We went to Tideline Aquatics and apparently someone had turned in a bunch of koi, and they were on sale for a price we just couldn't help but buy 3. We were only going to buy 1. The one that's black and red, we decided to name Megalodon. The calico is Joe Koi, and the one that is kind of like almost looks like our original fish Goldie, we're calling Phantom, because it's almost ghost-like when you see it from the top. Oh my goodness. This one. I also believe that these fish are a little skinny, so we'll definitely have to check on them in a couple months to see how they're going to fill out. Alright guys, so that's all we got for you today. Just a simple weekend project. All you need is a Tupperware dish about this size, and you can make your own pavers, and you're saving about half the money. So we did a little under 30 pavers at, we calculated a little bit less than $1.50 a block this size. This is the size of a block, and we just figured this would work the best. Bag of concrete that we got, they cost about $6 a bag. We could get 4 blocks out of each bag, a little over 4 blocks for each bag. And the pavers that you can get at Home Depot cost about $3 to $4. So we saved about half the money just making them ourselves, and it was actually kind of fun. So, you know, why not? And it was easier to carry the 4 bags, the bags of concrete, than it was to carry all those blocks too. So there's that. So anyway, if you have any questions on anything that we've done, comment below. And if you've never seen any of our very first pond videos, check out this link just above my head, and please subscribe and help us continue on making these pond videos if you're really interested in our koi pond. And we'll keep on trying to find new ways to innovate and to do something new with it. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.